Hello, welcome back to Quarantine Cooking Part 2. Birthday edition. Addison's 18 today, so we're gonna make coronavirus cake balls. Just kidding, they're just cake balls. So they're gonna be chocolate cake balls, and we're gonna put brownies in the middle and cover them with chocolate. Because I like chocolate. And she wanted brownies, but that's not a birthday.
Yeah, I wanted brownies and she said no.
We buy brownies in bulk because I don't know why. So our oven's at 350 right now, but those cook at 325, so we're just gonna hope for the best.
Cinnamon.
I don't know what a canola is. But you know, I don't think that's vegetable. It might be a vegetable. Okay, I don't think it is.
Oil. 3, 2, 1. Don't get your cake in my brownies.
I would.
I'll get my eggs.
Half a cup of oil.
3 eggs for you. 2 eggs for me.
Oh! Okay.
Spooky cup.
3. I got the counter a little dirty. Okay, here we go.
Don't splat it on me.
I'm not going to.
You gotta get eye level, mates.
This is what you do so the powder doesn't come up. And then
Egg master. 2. Wash hands. You do whatever you want, my man. I'm just mixing these up. Going some.
the best of the best.
Whoops.
What should I write?
So not even the mixer's for the week.
You needed like a wooden spoon.
I'm just chopping up the chunks. This is what it looks like. Yummy.
I don't know if this is what you're supposed to do, but I'm doing it.
Oh yeah. 60 brownies. Bruh. Okay. I love brownies. Most important step is to lick the bowl, because we're not afraid of salmonella considering there's corona going around. Salmonella ain't got nothing on it. Got it. Every last bit must be gone. You gotta leave some so you can eat it. Wanna lick the other side?
Why is it? You didn't spread it out very evenly.
I wasn't done.
You licked the spatula. Okay, into the oven. Oven party. Time to make my tea.
Wow!
This is the only day that people text me. Bruh, you didn't have to expose yourself like that.
I was
So then
gonna...
we have a fun glass.
Your cup might be too tall for these thin ones.
Well, it stops like there.
Oh.
Well, it stops right there.
No, that's not even that bad. Oi!
Look how pretty that is.
Ugh, I made it worse.
So now we have 20 minutes to do nothing. Probably eat more bread because we've been eating a lot of bread. Just bread. We should make TikToks.
Okay, they can watch us from the TikTok.
Boom, boom, boom. Pop up again, back out. I'm blowing her back out. WWE. I mean, gang, 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 gang. Pull up extra icy. I'm not playing hockey. Think I like me and they don't really like me. Punk, cause I can eat and your mom and ID. Oh. Oh!
So what for dinner?
Pull up. First attempt. Pull up extra icy. I ain't playing hockey. Think they like me and they really like me. Cause I can mom and ID. I messed up. You win.
Last time.
Go like harder on this one.
I was going home.
Well, do it better.
Pull up extra icy, I'm not playing hockey. You think you're weirder than them really like me. Cause I can auntie.
Are we done?
Yeah.
Okay, I need to get deodorant.
Okay. Go!
Oh.
Go!
I put 3 more.
So we have to like cool.
Oh, there's one more. I think this is from the cross. Or Sensei. We've been watching.
I guess we should find like.
Whoa. Stand up, broom. Do what you're meant to do. Look at my eyelashes. This is the cake. It's nice and fluffy. These are the brownies. I'm shining my lips.
We usually have this one.
Now I'm going to heat up the chocolate in the pot. You have to use semi-sweet. And you just put a little bit in there.
This is the fun part when you take your cake. Where are you?
I need to turn up.
So here's your cake. And then you just go in and you crumble all of this up. And add this frosting. Let's see. Use my hands. Well, I'm going to be using my hands to make the.
You're making a mess. Here's my chocolate.
We're gonna die. That's so cute. You're gonna get some chocolate on your stick.
Done enough?
Sure. And then put her in there. Oh, dance. Okay, you did not need to put. Then you have a ball of cake.
That's gonna be too heavy for this.
Sausage.
I need to wash my hands. No, I got it's still over.
So you go.
Bruh.
Okay, well, you need to wait because it's almost done. Use a stool! Do not put your feet up.
Fine.
We can use blue and chocolate and purple.
It's Easter time.
Easter is not until next
Help me out.
Or glass. 'Cause it's kind of hot.
Sure.
There we go.
I see your butt cheeks.
You're making a mess, man.
So we're gonna have to put these in the fridge downstairs.
This one got some like fats on it. I guess I can just replace the.
Why?
What'd you do? Well, no, she didn't tell me. She said she didn't use it. I don't know how to do that. This no, don't know.
Not a skilled dancer.
Not even a dancer, period. But raining chocolate man. Ever since TikTok happened, I feel like I definitely got better at dancing.
I'm a savage.
Classy, bougie, ratchet.
Savage. Classic bougie ratchet.
Oh no!
I did too.
Dude, I'm having a crisis over here.
Okay, y'all. So here are our finished products. All of our cake balls. We made a lot actually, and we have like few that fell off the 6. There's only 5 though, so that means we're good. Yay, the brownie. It's good.
It's good.
That's all we have for you guys today. Thank you for watching. Tune in next time. Don't know what we're gonna make yet. Let us know what you want us to make. Nobody let us know last time, but I don't think anyone watched the full video last time. So, yeah. Bye.